Have you ever wondered how to start your journey in graphic design? Well, ponder no more. Welcome to the exciting world of creativity and colors, where we'll explore how to kickstart your graphic design journey in 2024. Whether you're dipping your toes in for the first time or just keen on refreshing your knowledge, this guide is tailored for you. Scene script. Graphic design is the craft of creating visual content to communicate messages. It's a key element in the world of advertising, branding, print, and digital media, and even product design. Understanding its significance across various industries is the first step in your journey. Next, gear up with the right tools and software. Adobe Creative Suite, CorelDRAW, and Sketch are some of the power-packed software used by professionals worldwide. Remember, mastering these tools is like learning to drive a car. The car won't decide your destination, your skills will. Now, on to learning. Numerous online platforms offer graphic design courses. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare host a plethora of courses tailored for beginners. These courses are your roadmap to understanding graphic design's intricacies. The best way to hone your skills is through hands-on practice. Start with beginner-friendly projects like designing a logo or a poster. This will give you a practical understanding of design principles, color theory, typography, and more. Speaking of design principles, getting a grasp of them is crucial. Balance, contrast, emphasis, movement, pattern, rhythm, and unity are the 7 principles that govern design. These are the building blocks of your design journey. Inspiration is fuel for creativity. Follow leading designers on social media, subscribe to design blogs, and stay updated with the latest trends. This will not only keep you inspired, but also help you understand the ever-evolving landscape of graphic design. As you progress, start building a portfolio. It's your professional showcase, a reflection of your design journey. Include your best work, share your design process, and remember, quality trumps quantity. Engage with the design community. Participate in design challenges, seek feedback, and network with other designers. This will open doors to new learning opportunities and even potential collaborations. Lastly, explore freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. They are great places to start your professional journey. Remember, every big designer started small. Be patient, keep learning, and soon you'll see doors opening. To summarize, understand the importance of graphic design. Equip yourself with the right tools, learn from online courses, practice through projects, master the design principles, seek inspiration, build a strong portfolio, network with the community, and explore job opportunities. So, ready to embark on your graphic design journey in 2024? Remember, every great design starts with an idea, and every great designer was once a beginner. So, go ahead and unleash your creativity. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Share your thoughts and experiences below. Together, we can build a vibrant community of aspiring graphic designers.